Hey, Julie Dietrich here again with another gardening tip that I learned from my friend Deb. On my tomatoes, I'm actually putting baking soda. Yep, just plain baking soda around the base of the main stalk on the ground. And she says that that is going to help make the tomatoes sweeter. That's right, more tasty. So here you see I've got some, these are Husky Cherry Reds, and I've got some other ones growing. And the other thing I learned is that I needed to cut the suckers. Yeah, I didn't realize this, but on your tomato plants, here I'll get one of the ones I cut. See, I cut quite a few different things. So some of these you don't need. And how can you tell? Well, usually the ones that have a thicker, if they have a really thick stalk and they don't seem to have any of the flowers. So see, those have flowers, so you don't want to cut those. But if they don't have any of like the hair, so see how this one has a lot of hair, so I don't want to cut that one because it will probably, look, it does, it has a flower. So though that's not a sucker, but this one was a sucker. It doesn't have those, and she actually says that the leaves are a different shape. Like these are sort of pointy, where these are more round and fat. So I cut all the different suckers so that it doesn't suck out all the energy from the plant, and because then that way it'll all go to the flowers and the tomatoes. So I started doing that down low on the base. And I think I did a pretty good job, but my tomatoes just grew and grew and grew so fast that it got a little overwhelming and I wasn't sure which ones to cut. But she definitely said that. So like this is going to be a sucker. This one right here. Okay. But I'm not going to cut it yet because it's fairly small. So she said, wait until they get a little bit bigger and then cut the suckers. So that's another gardening tip today. Cut your suckers and use some baking soda around the base of your tomatoes. Good luck. Have a good one.